Hi, everyone. It's nice to see you. Thanks for stopping by. I don't wear my service as a merit badge, but I'd like to share something with you that I learned when I was stationed in Berlin before the wall came down. I learned that Europe was not afraid of the U.S. military presence. I learned that the reason they're not afraid is because all the time that we were there, and this is not just Berlin, right? This is Italy, and this is West Germany. Europe was not afraid of the United States having bases there, because they had a contingency plan the entire time to surround and isolate the bases and to remove their effective function. And I only offer this because we have insurgents. Insurgents? That's probably not the right word. We are experiencing an incursion, and wherever they are around the country, they are in centralized locations, and that limits their effectiveness. The contingency plan that the Europeans have is to surround, isolate, and eliminate the central organized power. And we are in that moment now. And that is a tool that we can use. And we need all tools available in this moment. So if you understood what I was saying, gather your community. Find the ones who understand that they are the shield for the people, because they will stand. And those that have forgotten their oath are collaborators. And there is that line now. All bets are off. Give me liberty until my last gasping breath.